Tornado Alley Ultimate. Yes, guys, today we are going to play Tornado Alley Ultimate. They're right now working on something. They're right now working on if you saw on there, it said our sun on there. If you can rewind that back, they are the creators of this game are really just working on something for our next game. And welcome to Tornado Alley. Here we go. I've already played this game a little bit, so yeah. Wait, can you see this? Do you see this, guys? Look at this. I'm just like this. I'm like, wee, wee. Sentient beings? Wait, what's that sentient being mean? I'm gonna get on the boat. Yeah. Oh, Trollnado. Trollnado's coming up. If y'all guys are ready for this episode, make sure to like and subscribe. And here we go. Oh my gosh. I'm going out of control. I'm like, we better get in, right, guys? Yeah, we gotta get in. Let's get in. We're not gonna stay here for much longer. They already got the lights here. I got my glow jar. Uh-oh, guys. The tornado's coming. There's a house up there. They probably have like a shelter. Where's the tornado at? Yo. Y'all ready to be trolled? Is it coming down? Yo, it's coming down, guys. We better get in. We gotta get in. Get into the... We better get into the building. Yo, guys, we better get in. Get into the building. Yo, they're rude. Hey, Johnny, to infinity and beyond. Look at that. Look at that. Watch your step, dude. Bug. You're mad. You know what? That's not fair for a tornado to do this. Because this tornado is a reckless dummy. We better go. Come on, hurry. Wait. Someone needs our help. Yeah. We need to... They're in the water, I think. Yes, they're in the water. What? Tap. Yo. Alright, we were about to go. We better get in. Oh, come on, we gotta go. They right now destroyed the basement of that home, so we are gonna try to get through the shelter. Oh no, everyone needs help. We can't help them right now, because we gotta get through the shelter. We gotta get to the shelter. Yo, is it coming? Yo, it is! We gotta go. Underneath. Get in. Shh. Shh. We gotta get through. We gotta get going. There's no shelter left. Oh my gosh. There is no shelter. Get over here. There's nothing left, guys. Look, the Boomer ink. Nope. Tell you why. Yo! What is wrong with you? Wait, let me check my injuries. You guys see that? I was unable to move. Well, I wish this paralyze went away. What's this disaster? Volcano? That says volcano. You can barely see that. Oh, wait. I have health. I can drink health. Guys, it's... Why is it like this? It's Volcano Mount Ostrich. Wait, what's going on? I'm gonna eat the booger. Eat the booger, hooey. It's adding my health, but it's not working. Everyone's just running for help. Oh my gosh. Guys, we just been hit. Oh, we're about to die. I'm eating health. I'm getting like health. Cause we're gonna die. We're gonna die really soon. Drop player. Call for help. I need help. Cause I'm drinking. I gotta need help. Lived, just kidding. Died. Yo, look at my health. I hope this ends because descending back into the earth. Oh, that's so shaky. Oh, help me. Lol. They just said lol. What's this? Somehow I survived. Wait, guys, I got picked up. Oh, no, never mind. He's dead. We need help. I need help. Oh, that's so good. He's trying to lift me up. Yo, 11 per. Wow, 11. It's over. Oh, hold on, guys. Alright, we resetted, and let's see the total survivors. I mean, I just broke my bones during the survival. There's a little secret here, so yeah. Yep, I survived. I have 325 coins. Wanna know? Oh my gosh. Wanna know how much? Look. That's. I have that much inventory stuff. I thought it was like destroyed already. I was like, why is it destroyed? There's no tornado here. It's just the details. The details of it. Just the details. We gotta pick. Timber Town. Yeah, Timber Town sounds nice. A volcano. You guys see that? Look, someone said another volcano. Oh my god. Alright, look. Welcome to Timber Town, guys. It's Timber Town. Sorry. Welcome to Timber Town. Dead NATO. Do you think there's zombies? Because dead means zombies. You can tell that's zombies. Alright. We're at the gas station. We gotta make it to our local, there's like a shelter underneath the woodworks lumber industry. There's like shelter underneath here. We better get up. This is where they all collect the wood. Oh no, it's gonna hit us, guys. It's right now forming. Yeah, so here is, here's the lumber, nothing. So, let's go. Alexis. I don't have the shelter. We're staying near him, near her because this is really. Can I get in? Guys, the clouds are green. Y'all guys see that? The clouds are green. Yo. Oh no. She can't access that. We gotta get in. Get in right now. Look at the factory. It's on fire. I don't want to get near that. The factory's on fire. That's the dead NATO. That's dead, NATO. Come on, hurry. Get through, come on. We're staying underneath here. Yeah. We're staying underneath here. Shelter behind the fence. I just don't have the key, bruh. Oh my gosh, that's clever, actually. Yeah. We gotta stay in until this tornado's gone. The factory is finally gone. And I feel like I'm near it. This one's getting sucked in. That's a dead zombie. I thought those were players. Apparently they're not. Those are zombies. We gotta find the bat quick. Yo, that's big zombie. Everyone's coming. Okay, I gotta find the big bat. Oh my gosh. There's lightning everywhere. Oh my gosh. This is so creepy. Okay, we survived, guys. I couldn't find the bat. But, the zombies are dead. It just restarted. Oh. Just the players. Zombies go away. Jeez. Pressing C, I know. Volcano! Guys, Guys, why is the ground rumbling? Go. I'm running if I'm near it. Where is it? Guys? Why is it rumbling? Guys, I'm near it! Oh my gosh! Go! Go! Run. Don't even look back. It's going to erupt. I know it's gonna erupt. Because it's near. I was right near it. Alright. I think we're safe down here for now. It just said it was gonna. Oh my gosh. Has been toasted. Look at that. You just go to the Indeed. How do I pick up people on? Wow, he's so dumb. Oh, I shouldn't be close. I just got hit by one. Alright, I can jump back. We're gonna crouch in the corners. Got sent to the grave. We gotta crouch through the corners so we can be safe. I just got hit by one. Yo, guys, we are just in. Where is the volcano? Yo, I can paint it actually. I'm gonna paint it right now. Hold on. I'm gonna paint it so I can see you. Good. Paint. If you can see, it's right there. You can see that little outline. Alright, here, let me delete it. You can see that little outline. Oh, wait, it's rumbling. Whoa, it's back. Yo, guys, it cleared up. All we got is just, look. Yo. Look at how much damage it did. I survived. I didn't break any bones. That is so crazy. Oh my gosh. You can see all the damage here. Let me circle it again. Look in front of me. You can see all the damage right there. Okay. That's all the damage. Man, we're resetting back. But anyways, guys, I'm going to leave it off here. Thank you guys so much for watching this Roblox video. Like and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.